Yeah, sure. What's up, y'all? I'm back on another video. I hope y'all seen my cousin's video. Tower of Hell, you already know. Killer you money. You know. So yeah, I really wasn't finna upload. I started thinking I'd be uploading for nothing. Literally because the reason I don't upload on my games, any games on the phone, but it's because I forgot the app that I have on my laptop at school that when I upload, I forgot the app when I can put my face cam on and be playing the game. I forgot how to do that. So I just went upload on YouTube. I'm posting video on YouTube anyway, but I'm saying like I don't understand how to like the face cam on. I know how to do. I'm saying look, I'm tripping. I know how to put the face cam thing on and all that, but I forgot the app. I forgot the app that tells you to do all that. So that's why I haven't been really doing any games on that, and uploading any game videos. But trust me, I will. I have to find out the app. And I'll make sure to do that. But yeah, I'll just let y'all know. I will upload tomorrow on a gaming video. I think with my cousin Quentin, you already know. Killer, cute, Dizzle, that's my boy, that's my cousin. Cat.